Good evening. The board visible to you, children? Okay. Mahaganadhipate. Good. Case study questions. Question number 36. Question number 36. A seminar is being conducted by an educational organization where the participants will be educators of different subjects. The number of participants in Hindi, English and mathematics are 60, 84, 108 respectively. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. Write the LCM of 60, 84, 108. LCM of 60, 84, 108. So direct question. You need to write the LCM of 60, 84, 108. Okay. So do prime factorization. 60, 2 square into 3 into 5. Prime factorization for 60 is 2 square into 3 into 5. And 84, 2 square into 3 into 7. 2 square into 3 into 7. And 108, 2 square into 3 cube. 2 square into 3 cube. Okay? Now, LCM. LCM I told you, different prime factors with the highest powers. Different prime factors with the highest powers. What are the different prime factors in all the three? 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. So 4 different prime factors are there. 4 different prime factors are there. Now we need to take with highest powers. 2 highest power is 2, 3 it is cube, 5 and 7. So this is the LCM. This is the LCM. Okay? So how to find out LCM? First write all the different prime factors, then take their highest powers. So 2 square into 3 cube into 5 into 7. That's all. If you want to simplify that, you can do it. Yes. I'm good man. Okay. Now, the second question. If in each room the same number of participants are to be seated and all of them being in the same subject, what is the maximum number of participants that can be accommodated in each room? Maximum number of students that can be accommodated. Okay. Maximum number means HCF we need to find out. HCF. Okay, na children? HCF. How to find out HCF? Okay. Now take common prime factors. Common prime factors. What are the common prime factors? All the three. From all the three, write common prime factors. 2 into 3 only. From all the three, common prime factors is 2 into 3. Now, what is the? In this, you need to take least powers. Least powers. So 2 square and 3 is, it is 3 only. 2 square into 3. So 12 is the HCF. 12 is the HCF. Okay, na? Now, third question. That means in each and every room, we can accommodate 12 students. In each and every room, we can accommodate 12 students. Okay, now, question number 3. Write the product of HCF and LCM of 60, 84, 108. Product of LCM and HCF. LCM 2 square into 3 cube into 5 into 7 into HCF 2 square into 3. Okay. Now 2 power 4, 3 power 4 into 5 into 7. This is the product of LCM into HCF. 2 power 4, 3 power 4. Why 3 power 4? Here 3 power 1. Into 5 into 7. Okay. Next. Internal choice question. What is the minimum number of rooms required during the event? Minimum number of rooms required during the event. Yes. The product is, I think, somebody is saying 45360. 45360. Okay, right. Next. Minimum number of rooms required to conduct the activity. See, Hindi, English, math. For Hindi, how many rooms are required? Each room should be allotted for 12 students. And total number of Hindi students 60 are there. So 60 by 12, 5 rooms. We need 5 rooms for Hindi students. We need 5 rooms for Hindi students. Next, English. Total number of students 84, and in each room there are 12. Each room there are 12 students. Then we require 7 rooms for English. Then mathematics. Total students 108. In each room 12. So we want 9 rooms for mathematics. So in total 5 plus 7 plus 9, we want 21 rooms to conduct the activity. We want 21 rooms to conduct the activity. Is that understood, children? Okay, na? Okay. Issue. Next question. Treasure hunt is an existing and adventurous game where participants follow a series of clues or numbers, maps to discover hidden treasures. Players engage in this thrilling quest, solving puzzles and riddles to unveil the location of the coveted prize. So while playing the treasure hunt game, some clues are hidden in various numbers, I think. Okay. Collectively forming an AP. The number on the nth spot is 20 plus 4n. Then answer the following questions to help the player in spotting the clues. Okay. So AN is given, children. AN is given. The number on the nth spot. That means these are the numbers. And number at the nth spot is 20 plus 4n. That is what you have to understand. Okay, na? Now, what is the first question he is asking? What is the number in the first spot? What is the number in the first spot? This one he is asking. He is asking this one. What is the number in the first spot? So keep 1 in the place of n. Keep 1 in the place of n. So 20 plus 4 into 1, 24. So here you will get 24. That is the solution for the first question. Second question. Which number is on n minus 2th spot? N minus 2th spot. That means in the place of n, you insert n minus 2. In the place of n, insert n minus 2. Okay, so a n minus 2 is equal to 20 plus n, 4 into n minus 2, 20 plus 4 into n minus 2. Simplify this, 20 plus 4n minus 8, 12 plus 4n. So the number in the n minus 2th part, the number in the n minus 2th part is 12 plus 4n. Okay. Now the question, third question, in which spot is numbered as 112? Which spot? You need to specify the spot. Okay, so this number is 112. You need to specify the spot. So in general, what we'll do? We'll consider an is 112. We'll consider an is 112. See, before this, what you have to do is, you have to find out a2 also. To solve this question, we need to find out a2 also. a2 means 20 plus 4 into 2, which is 28. Okay, na? Now we have a1, we have a2. Then we can find out d. a2 minus a1. Okay. So how much? 4. D 4. Now an, a plus n minus 1 into d is 112. A plus n minus 1 into d is 112. Now we need to find out which spot. Means n we have to find out. To substitute the values, 24 into n minus 1 into 4, 112. Children, what is n? What is n? N23, eh? Yes. Let me see. Uh, 24 means, I think 86, eh? Is it 86? 88, I think, 88. Yeah, by 4, which is 22. Then n is equal to 22 plus 1, 23. Okay. Next, last question. Last question. What is the sum of all numbers on the first 10 spots? What is the sum of all numbers on the first 10 spots? That means he is asking S10. He is asking S10. What is the sum of all numbers on the first 10 spots? Okay, S10. 10 by 2 into 2a plus 10 minus 1 into d. S10. 10 minus 1 into 10 by 2 into 2a plus 10 minus 1 into d. Now what is the simplification for this, children? 5 into 48 plus 36. How much it will be? Five into 84, 420. So sum of first 10 parts, the numbers in the first 10 parts is 420. Okay na? And last question. Last one. Raj has a field which is in the shape of a right angle triangle AQC. He wants to leave a space in the form of a square PQRS inside the field for growing wheat and the remaining for growing vegetables in the field. There is a pole marked as O. Okay. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. Okay. Now, taking O as origin, coordinates of P are minus 200 comma 0. Coordinates of Q are 200 comma 0. PQRS is a square. What are the coordinates of R and S? See the figure, children. What are the coordinates of R? Coordinates of R 200 comma 1 2 3 4 400. Coordinates of R 200 comma 400. And coordinates of S, negative 200 comma 400. Coordinates of R 200 comma 400. Coordinates of S, negative 200 comma 400. What are the coordinates of P? Minus 200 comma 0. Q 200 comma 0. Okay. These are the coordinates. Next question. Now, what is the area of square PQRS? Area of square PQRS. So, in order to find out the area of square, what are required? To find out the square area, what are the values that are required? Square area, how can we find? When we know its side and when we know its diagonal. When we know the side, it is a square. When we know the diagonal, can anyone say? When we know the diagonal of a square, can we find out the area of square? No one is answering for my question. If we know the diagonal of a square, can we find out its area? Yeah, Tejaksha, tell me how. Yes, very good. Half d square. Half d square. Now, which one known to us in the problem? Not half d1 dt. Yeah. Shambhavi, you are also right, but in square diagonals are equal, na? Square diagonals are equal, so it is half d square. Okay? Right. Now here, can we say the side of the square? Side of the square is given as means A. A is 400. The area is 400 into 400. That means 1,60,000 square units. Square units. Right. 4 zeros you will get. Not 3 zeros. Girish. 4 zeros you will get. Now second question, what is asking? What is the length of the diagonal of PR in square PQRS? Length of the diagonal PR. Length of the diagonal PR. Length of the diagonal PR. This one. Root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. I know the coordinates of P, I know the coordinates of R. Length is nothing but distance. Find out the distance between P and R. 400 square. 400 square, how much? 1,60,000. Let it be 400 square. And this is also 400 square. So whole square we are putting negatives. We can take out negatives. So what is the answer? 2 into 400 square. That means 400 root 2. You know, in simplifications గమనించండిరా మీరు. In what way I am doing? ఏంటో పెద్ద సింప్లిఫికేషన్స్ నెత్తిన కొట్టుకుంటారు బుద్ధి లేకుండా. అమూల్య, బుద్ధి లేని అమూల్య, తులసి వర్ధన్, కోవిద ఆల్సో. చీ. Is my answer correct or wrong? Tulasi? No one responding. Then why you are doing 400 square 1,60,000, again 400 square 1,60,000, adding them 3,20,000, then simplification? Why all this necessary? 400 root 2, because here see 400 square root of 400 square is 400, and 2 is not a perfect square, which is under root. That's all. Okay, ne? Next question, last question. What is asking last question? If sides divides Side S divides CA. So what are the coordinates of C now? Coordinates of C. Can anyone say coordinates of C? Coordinates of C. Good. Negative 600 comma 0. Negative 600 comma 0. And coordinates of A. Coordinates of A. 200 comma 200 comma 800. 200 comma 800. Okay. And what are the coordinates of S? Minus 200 comma 400. And what is asking? What is the ratio that S divides CA? S divides CA. Okay? Ratio is given K is to 1. C, A and S over here. Coordinates of 6 minus 600 comma 0, 200 comma 800 and coordinates of S minus 200 comma 400 and CS is to SA is given K is to 1. Okay. He is asking to find out K value. Okay. Now kx2 plus 1x1 by k plus 1 is negative 200. kx2 plus 1x1 by k plus 1 is negative 200, x coordinate. Now simplify this. 200k minus 600 is equal to minus 200k minus 200. Okay. Now simplify. 200k plus 200k is equal to negative 200 plus 600. 400k is 400. K 1. If k is 1, ratio is 1 is to 1. K is 1 is to 1. K value 1 and ratio is 1 is to 1. But he is not asking about ratio, is that right? He is asking about K value only. So K value 1. If you write answer 1 is to 1, your answer is wrong. What he is asking? He is asking to find out K value.
That time is read only once.
K value 1. Okay, na? I think we done with all the questions. Is that right? Niharika Sharma is asking K value, not the ratio. Okay, na? Yeah. Okay, again we'll meet tomorrow. ఓకేనా? నిహారిక అండ్ తేజల్, note down the attendance, and remaining students, click on the like button. Okay, thank you very much. Dhanyawad. Click on the like button. Thank you very much. Dhanyawad. Mahaganaadhipataye. అయిపోయిందా ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. టుమారో విల్ సీ. ఒక ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చెప్పానంటే అది చేయాలి.
అంటే ఇంట్లో చేసి
గ్రాఫికల్ రిప్రజెంటేషన్
వన్ ప్రాబ్లం.
3.1 లో అయిపోయింది. గ్రాఫికల్ రిప్రజెంటేషన్ ని లాస్ట్ సమ్ ఇంకా ఫిఫ్త్ సమ్ ఆ రెండు అవుతాయి. మిగతా అన్ని ఈజీ పార్ట్.
ఓకే బాయ్ నాన్న.
తెచ్చుకోమంటారు సార్.
అండి
కోర్స్ వాళ్ళు కావాలి.